Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video is all about how to fix the green screen issue which is happening on the iPhone and how we can fix it. Many users that comes to globe is facing this issue. So one of the reasons is it might be updated to the latest version of software. Many users used to think that this had to be a hardware issue. This even instead of computer that it can be hardware issue, but most probably the issue is happening because of the software made. So you have to make sure that you have updated the software. Then you will be having this kind of issue. But even if you have this issue or not, you don't have to panic. Just follow the instructions what I'm going to give you in this video. The first and foremost step, what you need to do is we just need to do at least a force restart on your iPhone. So to do a force install, you have to press the volume up followed by volume down, and you have to press and hold the power button. That's all you have to do. So we press the volume up followed by volume down, and then pressing the power button over here as you can see, and that will be taking you to this. So once you reach this, you have to give the passcode and you have to sign in over here like this. Give the passcode over here, and once you signed in, after doing the force restart, if they should stay there, then the probability is might be an issue with the hardware. So after updating to the software update, you'll be having no trouble. So with the hardware, so you have to cross several issues with the hardware. In most cases, the issues with the hardware, what you need to do is you just need to book an appointment, go to the Apple store and talk to the experts over there. So when you're doing this, you have to make sure one thing, if you have it in the warranty, like the covenant is there, then what you need to do is they're going to do this for free. But if the warranty is expired, then you have to put the you have to pay from your pocket. That might cost you around $500 to $600 or something. So just do this, and most probably should be completely fixed. And if you find this when you had a free, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have anything, you will let us know in the comment section. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Take care.